Hi, I'm Hillia, and today I'm here to talk to you about 8 things all new hoopers should know. So if you've been curious about picking up a hoop, this is for you. Let's get started. Gather inspiration. Create a digital hoop vision board. Fill it with your favorite videos of hoopers that make you want to get a hoop and start dancing. You know what videos I'm talking about, the ones that get you really excited and inspired. Save them to a playlist or folder and watch a little each day to help you stay motivated. Set small goals. So you're new to hooping and you can't wait to learn all the crazy cool tricks you've seen online. That's great, but it might be a little confusing or overwhelming to know where to start. That's why I recommend starting with small goals. This could look like extending the time you waist hoop for each day by seconds or minutes, or trying to learn one new trick per week. Holding yourself accountable to small goals will help you track your progress and keep you motivated. I can't tell you how many times I've met new hoopers that think they are no good at hooping just because they keep dropping their hoop. Please don't ever assume this. Dropping your hoop is completely normal and necessary for growth. Persistence is key. Drill. Certain moves are going to feel impossible at first. Don't expect to be able to learn every hoop trick within a day, a week, months, or sometimes years. I remember almost giving up entirely on shoulder hooping. I felt like it was impossible and I just figured I'd never get it down. So it felt like a miracle when it finally clicked. Your body will figure it out in time. Patience, persistence, and consistency is key. Most people recommend starting out with one hoop, and that's fine, but if it isn't your means to do so, I recommend getting a larger hoop and a smaller to medium-sized hoop. Unless you plan to strictly stick to one style of hooping, this will make learning certain tricks and movements much easier. For example, it is a lot easier to learn to hoop on your waist, knees, and shoulders with a bigger hoop. But it is a lot easier to learn to do coin spins, folds, and flips with a smaller hoop. When it comes to on-body hoop movements, what you wear matters. Too many layers or loose, baggy clothing might make the hoop slip and fall more. Bare-skinned is always best because it allows you to connect with the hoop completely, and the hoop naturally grips to it. Crop tops, shorts, and tank tops are also a great choice. Natural fibers such as cotton are great as well. For on-body hooping, which typically uses a larger hoop, grip tape can help keep the hoop from sliding off you. You can either use a hoop with gaffer tape spiraled around the hoop or use a hoop lined along the inside with 3mm grip tape. Embrace your own movement. Continue to be inspired by the flow of others, but don't use that as a rigid framework for how your flow should look. If you film yourself and notice that you move a little bit different than other hoopers you've seen, don't worry. What makes hooping so fascinating is all the unique variations of style and movement that emerge from the same plastic circle. Don't compare yourself or your progress to others. Be on this journey to unlock your own flow expression of you. Thank you for watching. Do you have any tips for new hoopers? If so, leave them in the comments below. If you like this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. See you next time.